class 8 revision subject GK. In this video, I will revise lesson 6, 7 and 8. First of all, lesson 6, Indian ornaments. This is the first page of this chapter and this one is the second page. In this chapter, we will revise about Indian ornament. First is antique jewelry. This kind of jewelry has dull and rough look combined with an old world charm. This is bead jewelry. This is 5,000 years old art dating back to the Indus civilization. Bridal jewelry. This is a traditional design are still performed for bridal jewelry. This is ivory jewelry. This jewelry is made from tusk of elephant. Filigree jewelry, it is done on silver. Chadao jewelry, this type of jewelry is famous since Mughal times and is made by highly skilled craftsmen mostly in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Next is Kundan jewelry. It is most popular since Mughal era and was carried to Rajasthan by Delhi's craftsmen. Next is Meenakari jewelry. In this jewelry, precious stones are set and then enameled with gold. Next is temple jewelry. This kind of jewelry mainly originated from the jewelry specially made to adorn the idols of god and goddess in the South Indian temples. Pachikam jewelry. This kind of jewelry was most popular in Gujarat and Kutch. This is a tribal jewelry. Tribes in India have unique style of jewelry made of clay, bone, wool, shells and crude metal. Now, lesson 6 over lesson 7, National Port of India. In this chapter, we will learn about national ports of India. As you know that India has a coastline of 7,517 km with 12 major ports and 200 notified non-major ports along the coastline and islands. On the screen, you can see Kolkata Port. Kolkata Port is the only riverine major port in India having an existence of about 138 years. This is a Paradip Port. Paradip Port situated in Odisha. Paradip Port is one of the major ports in India. This is a New Bangalore Port. New Bangalore Port situated in Karnataka, Bengaluru. New Bangalore Port was declared as the 9th major port on 4th May 1974 and was formally inaugurated on 11th January 1975. Next is Cochin Port. Cochin Port is situated in Kochi, Kerala. The modern port of Cochin was developed during the period 1920 to 1940 due to the untiring effort of Sir Robert Bristow. This is a Jawaharlal Nehru Port. It is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Constructed in the mid-1980s and commissioned on 26 May 1989. Jawaharlal Nehru Port has come a long way by becoming a world-class international container handling port. Next, Mumbai Port. Mumbai Port also situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mumbai Port is the second oldest major port in India after Kolkata. Next is a Kamarajar Port Limited. It is situated in Chennai, Tamil Nadu state. Kamarajar Port Limited, the 12th major port under the Ministry of Shipping, was commissioned in 2001 primarily as a coal port dedicated to handling thermal coal requirement of Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Next is Chennai Port. Chennai Port is an all-weather artificial harbour with one outer harbour and one inner harbour with a viaduct and a boat basin with round-the-clock navigation facilities. The port was established in 1875, located in the Bay of Bengal. It is a Chennai port. Next, Marmagua Port. It is situated in Goa. Marmagua Port situated on the west coast of India. Next is VU Chidambaram Port Trust. It is situated in Tamil Nadu. This port is located on the southeastern coast of India in the Gulf of Mannar with Sri Lanka on the southeast and the large land mass of India on the west. Next one is a Kandla Port Trust. It is situated in Kutch, Gujarat. Kandla Port Trust has been removed as Deen Dayal Port Trust with effort from 25th September 2017. Next, Visakhapatnam Port Trust. Port of Visakhapatnam is situated in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam city. A natural harbour is located almost between Kolkata and Chennai on the east coast of India. So that was a chapter 7. Now chapter 8, top 10 study abroad countries. If you want to study about countries, so that chapter is very helpful for you. Here is a list to top 10 countries to study abroad. First New Zealand, second Spain, third Thailand, fourth Mexico, 5 Canada, 6 Costa Rica, 7 Netherlands, 8 Switzerland, number 9 France, and number 10 is Australia. That list is prepared on 30 July 2019. Few universities here. University of Auckland. It is situated in New Zealand. Chulalongkorn University situated in Thailand. University of Barcelona situated in Spain. Universidad Nacional Autónoma de Mexico. In short, UNAM. It is situated in Mexico. University of Toronto situated in Canada. So now your chapter 6, 7 and 8 is over. Revision over. In next part, I will revise chapter 9 and 10.